Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're gonna go over the 8 bags that I think would be the worst purchases in 2024. I'm just gonna say it right now, right off the bat. If you love these bags, if you have these bags, please continue to love these bags or buy these bags or whatever it is you wanna do. Really, who cares what I say? I'm a rando on the internet, but I just feel like the trends are really just going in the complete opposite direction of what these bags represent. So that's why we're going to talk about them today. I am also going to be making a video all about the best bags to buy in 2024, so keep your eyes out for that. But I figured we'd start this off on a bad note. So if you guys want to know what the worst bag purchases would be that you can make in 2024, that's a weird sentence. That's not how you say that. If you guys want to know what bags I think you shouldn't buy in 2024, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you already, I'm going to say, if you're not already subscribed, entertain yourself. I post on Wednesdays and on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. When I'm not sick. You guys know I've been sick for literal weeks. I'm still sick. It's still going on. This is actually endless, but I've been trying to get back on my schedule. So I'm doing my best, you guys. I'm sorry. But I do usually post on Wednesdays and on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I feel like you're going to be here when I do. If you like luxury, you like handbags, you like fashion, you like bad bags to buy in 2024. I feel like this is definitely where you're going to be. So subscribe if you're not already, and you should follow me over on Instagram if you're not already. It's just a K Danger. I post every single day over there. Every day is a reel, outfit of the day, something on stories. It's a lot. Okay, we post a lot over there, so you should follow me over there if you're not already. And with all that out of the way, let's jump into the video. So we're gonna start off with my absolute least favorite bag from this entire list. Okay, if you've been here for any length of time, you will know there is one bag that I used to own, and I'll link the bags I sold and why right up here. And I really have it out for this bag. I do not like this bag whatsoever. So that is going to be the Louis Vuitton multi-pochette. I hate this bag. I know we're not supposed to be saying hate. Like, I don't really care is the thing. Like, I hate it. I got sucked into the hype, so I did end up buying it, and I sold it probably within 2 weeks. Like, I think I wore it once or twice and then sold it immediately after that. So I really don't like this bag, but putting that personal vendetta aside, okay, putting my own feelings aside, I just feel like the trends are they're not here. This is not the trend, okay? For a minute, you guys know we were really into like really thick guitar straps. We were into, you know, the utilitarian look, like something that has like a lot of pockets. This bag was like the forefront of the trend. This was like numero uno, head honcho. So at the time, this was a very popular bag. You guys know this was also gifted to like every single Instagram influencer alive. And because of that, this was just such a big trendy piece. However, today, how many multi-pochettes do you see? How many? It's not a lot. I'm willing to bet it's not a lot. Also, with quiet luxury being like such a big thing, having a bag that has like so much monogram and then like Louis Vuitton plastered on the strap is kind of not where the trends are going for 2024. But again, if this is a bag that you love, please love it. Please do it. Do what you want to do. Next up is a bag that I almost never see, and this is from my favorite brand, which you guys already know. And if you didn't know, just take one look behind me. I'm sure you can figure it out. It's Chanel, and this is the Chanel Gabrielle bag. Now, I don't actually own a Gabrielle. I've never owned a Gabrielle, and I have to say I've been warming up to it recently. Like, not that I'm like actively looking to buy it, but I feel like I dislike it a little bit less than I used to. I'll link a video talking all about the Chanel bags that I don't think I'll be adding to my collection right up here. But this bag was very popular when it first came out, you know, eons ago, what feels like eons ago. And pretty much since then, it's just been going down in popularity. That paired with the fact that this came out a couple years back, and Chanel has released a good amount of bags pretty much since then, and people are kind of focusing on those other bags over the Gabrielle. That's kind of why I feel like this is not going to be like a bag that we see a lot this year. It's just such a very specific style, and I feel like you have to have a specific style to like this bag or to want this bag or to pull off this bag. It has, you know, wrinkly leather, and not everybody likes that. It has like a very solid base. It has a lot of chains, like a lot of chains. It has a lot of chains, and then you have like the zipper, which makes it a very casual bag. So it's really not everybody's cup of tea. But I'm pretty sure if you like the Gabrielle, you don't actually care what's on trend. You don't care about nobody's opinion. You don't care about nothing. You do what you want to do when you want to do it. That's like the vibe that the Gabrielle gives me. So I'm pretty sure you're not going to care whether or not this is in style if you like the Gabrielle, but I just feel like this is not a bag that we're going to see a ton this year. Next up is a bag that was so trendy, and I feel like it has also kind of disappeared from existence. I feel like it's like
Was it a dream? Like, did this bag actually exist?
I'm talking about the Jacquemus Le Chiquito. Like, I do not see this bag anywhere. I don't see it anywhere. This bag exploded on social media when it first came out, when it was, you know, the little baby set, the little baby Le Chiquito. Like, it was everywhere to the point that I got sucked in and I did buy one. And I just feel like this bag is nowhere to be found. Like, there are just dust particles. Like, you know, in Endgame, when Thanos went like this, like, did the Le Chiquito go with him? Did nobody bring it back? I think that this has something to do with the fact that big bags are very much coming back right now. Like, big bags are where it's at. I'm starting to finally see it. I feel like we've been saying big bags are coming back forever, but I finally feel like I see it. I actually see it happening now. So I think that that has something to do with it. But even with that put aside, I feel like this was a fad. Like, this was something that was so popular, so ridiculously overexposed, that one day we just woke up and decided that that was not it anymore. I mean, obviously, I would say the Le Chiquito put these like really tiny bags like on the map. But now, since it's been so many years, we have so many better options, in my opinion. Better options that we can go to that are like newer and fresher and more modern designs, that I feel like we're kind of leaning that way instead of this way, you know? Another bag that I have a personal vendetta against is a Loro Piana L19. Now, I know you guys are trying to fight me in the comments because everyone's obsessed with this bag. I'm pretty sure it's still sold out everywhere, but this is, hear me out, okay? This was the bag. Like, if you didn't have this bag, do you even own bags? I understand that, but now we're in 2024. Like, we're kind of over that. I don't really see this bag half as much as I saw it last year. And I just feel like the trend is going to continue to go away from it. Yes, we are still very much, I feel, in my opinion, into quiet luxury. We still really want, you know, like more low-key pieces, but I don't think this is necessarily where we're going to get that. I think a lot of people are leaning more towards the Row, which will be mentioned in my best bags to buy in 2024 video. I'm sure you know exactly what bag I'm going to talk about, but it's going to be mentioned. Stay tuned. But I just don't feel like Loro Piana L19 extra pocket pouch, whatever, is the one at on everybody's mind, like at the forefront of everybody's mind. Nobody is thinking about this. Nobody is talking about this anymore. It's had its time, which was very short-lived, but that's what happens when you hype things up to the maximum, where they are like actual fads versus trends. So we're getting over it. And like I said, I'm not seeing it really anywhere. Everybody was saying that this is better than the Mini Kelly. Like,
who wants the Mini Kelly when you can have this?
Like, apparently everyone still wants the Mini Kelly. Next up, we're going to talk about a bag that I have in my collection. This is the Prada Edition 2000. I can never remember the number. I always have to check the tag. Prada Edition 2000 with the crystals. I'm specifically talking about the ones with the crystals. Everyone went bananas, myself included, obviously, for this bag. Like, this was so hard for me to get. It was like everyone was stalking the internet. Everyone was like placing pre-orders. Like, it was madness. And now, where are all the Prada editions? There are so many on Fashion File. It's like ridiculous. It even had a price decrease, by the way. It had a price decrease. I think it went up to $2,500 and then came back down to like $2,350 or something like that. Like, it was so random. That should show you, like, people are not going for this bag anymore, and that is just a fact. If you're on the market for a crystal bag, there are just so many different options right now that I would even say, even though I own this one and I'm not getting rid of it, I would probably say check out some of the other options. Let's talk Bottega, because I feel like I couldn't do this video without talking about Bottega. Yes, Bottega is still very much in what I feel like is their prime, okay? They are still killing it. They are coming out with banger after banger. However, the padded cassette with the chain is just not one that people are breaking down doors to buy, okay? That's just not one that I feel like is gonna be at the forefront of the trends in 2024. This was so popular years and years and years ago, but now where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Because I don't see them. I don't see them anywhere. Now that we're moving into more quiet pieces, nobody's really interested in the chain. People are much more interested in like either a leather strap or just something a little bit more low key, something maybe a little bit thinner. Like the sardine bag has a very thin like shoulder or crossbody strap. So people are kind of leaning towards that way. So really the chain is just not, I think it's just not what people want right now. Going into 2024, that's just not, this is not the vibe. We're gonna end this with two big bags. One that I actually really was obsessed with for a minute there, and that is the Saint Laurent I Care Maxi. Where are the eye care maxis? Do you guys know? Because I damn sure do not know. I feel like everyone had the eye care maxi for like a month. It was like one solid month where everyone had the eye care maxi. And honestly, I do think that the bag is gorgeous. I will not say that this is not a beautiful bag. I think it's beautiful. I wanted it so bad, you guys. But where they at? I think we all just understand that Saint Laurent is not worth the eye care maxi prices. Period. I think the majority of us were just like,
no, we're not doing that.
And that's pretty much, that's all she wrote for the eye care maxi. I just feel like moving into 2024, having a humongous quilted bag with Saint Laurent's logo, like just slapped on there, it's just not, that's not where we're going. That's not what we want. That's not what we're interested in. So, I mean, as a whole, and I'm speaking very generally, obviously, if you want that, then you want that. But I'm just speaking as like looking at the trends, you know what I'm saying? That's not really what we want. And so that's not where we're going with this. For my last pick is a bag that I actually never understood to begin with. Absolutely never understood the hype behind this bag. And I know a lot of people have this bag. Like, this is an extremely popular bag. I know so many people have this. And if you are one of those people, please continue to be one of those people. Don't listen to what I'm saying. Okay, you can like what you like and I can like what I like. However, the Chloe Woody tote is just not where I'm seeing the trends going for 2024, okay? Yes, we do like big bags in 2024. That's what we want. We want a big old bag, but we don't want a bag that just says Chloe, just like everywhere. It's just
Chloe, 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 Chloe. Like,
is this Chloe or is this, I'm not, is this Chloe? You sure? What gave it away? This bag doesn't really align with the whole quiet luxury trend, which I know you're tired of me saying it. I know you're tired of everyone saying it. People are liking quiet luxury. I'm sorry to break it to you. I'm not happy about it either. Trust me, okay? Plus, I feel like we're really emphasizing now like the quality of our bags. Like, we want good leathers. We want things that are sturdy, things that are gonna last. And for me, the Chloe Woody tote does not give lasting bag. Like, this gives, will break down in 3 to 5 business days. Again, I've never had one. I've never owned one. I don't know if that's actually the case, but I'm just, from here, what I see with my eyes, what we've observed is that that's what it's giving. So I just don't feel like that is really the bag that everyone's gonna be going for. I mean, like, watch some wish list video. How many times have people mentioned the Woody tote? How many times? Because I haven't heard a single person. One person I haven't heard. And I watch a lot of wishlist videos, okay? So guys, those are the 8 worst bags that you can buy in 2024. Definitely let me know in the comments, how pissed are you right now? Really mad, right? You really mad? Just keep in mind that this is not a personal video. This is not a personal attack on you. This is not even a personal attack on the bag. This is just me letting you guys know what I am seeing for the trends. But let me know in the comments, am I completely wrong? Are you guys like obsessed with any of the bags on today's list? Are any of these on your wish list? Definitely let me know in the comments what you think. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. And that's all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Testing. I'm testing. Testing, testing, testing. Testing the mic.